This rich shit, reinvest it and then risk it. The cookie that I got ain't Oreo biscuits. I wanna double up from racks to riches, racks to millions. If it wasn't me, it was is that did it. I can't trust man that move and fidget. Time get harder, the ones that switching. It's either that or the chat like women.
Yo guys, what's good? It's Poku Banks, baby. Today I'm back with another video, and today I'm getting on my money challenges. This week we're gonna try to flip £500 to as much as we can. Now, in terms of risk management, first of all, do not try this at home. Like, if you don't have money to lose, if you don't have money to waste, please do not try this at home. I would not recommend this. If I really had £500 and it was like my last, not my last, but if I had £500 to invest, I'd rather get a funded account, which we'll talk about in the future videos for sure. But with this £500, I'm looking to be risking around 10% per trade. So that means that gives me around 10 trades, depending on leverage. Yeah, that's the aim. As you can see, one of my trades, I'm actually about to get executed. As you can see, this is GBP JPY. I'll be looking at the, the JPY index as well, looking for more confluences. But yeah, I'm looking for some sells. And as you can see, here's the news, man. That's the news. But anyways, we'll get started with the trades. And let's see where we are by the end of the day, or even by midday. Let's get it. Okay, we are in. We're tagged in. Had to wait a bit for price to retrace to my point of interest. Here we entered off a nice little order block, where the break of structure of this swing guy here came, tested these high impulse candles here towards the downside, and now we're back in. So let's just monitor this trade on a 5-minute, on the 3-minute. I want to see price get to here first. Let's try to break this to continue was upside. If we fail to break even this breaker candle here, then we can see us going towards our SL. Yo. So as you can see, the 1 minute, it did fail to close above the area I wanted it to breach. As you can see, the wicks to the upside, so that might be some buy side liquidity taken there. But let's see how the trade goes on anyway. We are about 1 hour in profit, but yeah, let's see how the trade goes. I'm not going to break even yet. These ones there, no risk, no Rari. You got to take that risk. So let's see how price moves from now on. Ooh, seen a little push. On GJ, I did get swerved. Price left without me. Did not want to come to my entry point, which is a shame. So yeah, it's a big shame, but it is what it is, So as you can see in the 1 minute, we did breach that level I was scared of. Finally breached. We found another problem up here. So again, let's see how we fare in this trade. Also, on live stream right now on TikTok, got 100 people in the building. Guys, jump on, man. It's a good community, man. We need to get rich together. No risk, no Rari. Let's get it. Currently, GU's trying to push up. Let's see if we break this problem area right here. We've got impulse candle to the left. So, got DXY over here. I'm expecting DXY to push down. So right now, some okay profit. Let's hit take profit. Yes guys, I did hit TP. I moved my TP down a little bit to Asia highs just to confirm. So it was here initially. Let's see if we do hit. But yeah, I've increased my flip account to around from 500 to 700 just in one trade. So let's keep it going. We've got PMI later. And yeah, let's get it. Yeah, look at that, about to hit TP. Directing. Alright, cool. So that 500 I deposited. Now we've got that to 688. GU's pushing. Maybe I should have held. Did a little partial and hold, but here's what it is. We're getting on the next trade. So that's the aftermath of my longs on GU. So maybe I can learn a lesson from this. Maybe I should hold my positions, especially when news is coming out. No risk, no Rari, but hey, we move on to the next trade. Yes guys, it's 7:49. About to get entered in the trade. Hopefully I don't get swerved. But yeah, I'm just looking for a quick long. I should be in all my accounts. I'm expecting DXY.
Simple trade, straight to the point,
to
straight
push
to
towards the
GP.
upside. Quick 1 to 3.
As you can see, it makes some profit there.
Like a 1 to
Pretty nice.
a 1 to 1.6. So 1 to 1.5 really. So let's see how it goes. Let's get it. Yes guys, I just entered a sell on gold. I got a mental stop around here. Looking for sells, a lot of liquidity swept. Yeah, it's a risky trade, but if it pays off, the account will be looking pretty nice. Guys, we took our first L of the challenge. So the money we made this morning, 140 gone. We are now down to 647. 647, so we're gonna have to go again. Look for some other setups. Yes, guys, it's a new day, more news, very busy day of news. My main focus today is just focus on trading with the trend. A lot of my L's recently have come from counter trend trading, so let's actually put that into place and try to look for some longs now. I think the daily is bullish. The DXY is pretty bearish. We got a lot of downside to reach, as you can see on the 12-hour. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go for these longs. Let's see how the day goes. Yes, people, I've been entered in the trade. To be fair, I want to just defeat this swing high here. I mean, I feel a lot more confident. We can move to break even and start to like partial out. I'm now also live in my XAU trade. Let's see how it goes. This is my GU trade currently. Let's see how it goes. Yes, people, as you can see right now, we did enter some drawdown. This level proved to be heavy resistance. The 5-minute was not trying to close at all above. Go into some drawdown, grab some liquidity on the 1 hour. As you can see, and we pushed up. Now we have another problem here. I just want to see us push up to here, and then I'll call it. I'll call it for the trade. But yeah, that's why I'm looking for it to push down. So therefore, GU, I'm looking for it to go up. Gold, again, this was a nice re-entry zone. I want to see us push up. Still holding this one out. This again is my flip account. Again, making back the losses from yesterday. It's looking good. Getting close to 100% from the 500. Yes, guys, I got my lick back for yesterday. Yeah, GU buys, man, follow the trend. I should start doing that more. We're actually in a gold buy, like nothing too much right now. But yeah, man, let's see how it goes. Let's get it. For the gold trade, I basically closed at break even. I just feel like it's struggling to push up. God forbid it does push up now. So yeah, let's see. I think, and also New York sessions coming, so I do believe there'll be some manipulation. So I'm not even too stressed. Like, I'll just get a better entry elsewhere, maybe like down here for a long. But yeah, guys, I've learned a big lesson today. No more break even, man. What I've noticed is, and this is the epitome of when people say, "Oh yeah, trading is 80% psychology." Like, why am I so shook? Minimal drawdown. I could have passed my fundeds. I could have, been in lots of profit. I took a GBP JPY trade as well. I got to here. No partials taken. Break even. Now we're back up here. So I think some more, like, my psychology needs working on. Yo guys, it's Friday. I did take an L on GJ. Yeah, it's a bit erratic. I moved a little bit erratic, but we got NFP in 24 minutes, so can't lie. I have to make a little bet. No risk, no Rari. Let's get it. Also, £5 would you buy it? No, it's too expensive. Like, I want to buy, but I need you to come down. I need it to come down, and then I'll buy. Like, and either here or here. Like, I can't buy it at that high. My trading ability will not allow me to buy at that high. I'll sell at that high. I'll sell, but I wouldn't buy. Hey, is everybody ready though? Like, is everybody actually ready? Like, I don't understand. My lot size is ready. Okay. Come down. Or is it gonna go back up? Come down. Keep coming. A little bit more. Or is that it? Come down. A little bit more, I beg. A little bit more, and I'm in. A little bit more than I'm in. A little bit more than I'm in. Alright, cool guys, I'm in longs. 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 So yeah, I got in longs on gold. No, on GU. Gold's pushing up. I lapped on gold, you know. I lapped on gold. It'll go to 1.3 easily. You know what? I'd rather close and scale in again. So then I can risk like... Yeah, no, it's true, it's true. I'll close with the prof. I've doubled my account from... So yeah, bro, it's... Boom! Yes, guys, it's Poku Banks, baby. That is the end of my week. I started with 500 and I've taken it to £1,000. So essentially 100% return. Now, remember, this isn't guaranteed to be every week, but let's see how next week goes. And now we're gonna delve into the trades that I've taken. I'm gonna explain which ones I liked, which ones I didn't like, which ones were bad trades, and how I can learn and go forward for the future. Let's get it. Yes, people, let's go over some of the trades that I took this week. What I would like to say is, first off, go with the trend. That I would say has helped me a lot, and going against the trade is where most of my losses come from. Here we can see GU. I also make sure to have an extra confidence on the side, which is the DXY, as you can see over here. So essentially, if I see one setup on GU, the opposite setup on DXY, which is the dollar strength index, then I know that's higher probability of my trade going through. So again, it's like someone to show you, oh yeah, I see it another side, so therefore you can go for the trade. Liquidity taken here on the 30-minute. Very good trade. London session. I could have got a better entry, and yeah, we went for 1 to 2.8. Here's one silly loss that I took on gold. Again, going against the trend. Look, this is a H4. It just looks bullish. The H1 bullish, higher highs and higher lows. So again, you have a higher probability of hitting your trade if you go along the trade. Calling reversals, I feel where it comes from is just the ego thing. Like, oh yeah, look, I caught the reversal. Look, I caught where it's going to reverse. But at the end of the day, who cares about ego? Who cares about being right? It's all about making money. So, you know, going against the trend, it's not wise unless there's lots of confirmations. So one thing I like to trade is changing characters. So essentially, this is when market structure decides to change. So going from higher highs, then breaching the previous higher low, and then forming a lower high, and then a lower low, and going forward like that. My trade management hasn't been the best. So this is another gold trade I took. So I learned from my previous loss. I went for some longs. Now, guys, mental capacity is real. I entered this trade around 7 a.m. I then hit BE around, 12, 11 a.m. So again, that's around 4 hours in trade. It can be very, very mentally taxing on yourself. So I went break even. But as you can see, if I held for another hour or so, I would hit take profit. So, we can learn from these things. Break even, it does make sense when you're especially 2R up, 3R up, but it is what it is. I don't know if I should have held this one or I was right to go break even. Again, it is my trading plan, Now, on my Telegram, Forever Banking, by the way, the link is in the description. Ask the people, how should I spend my profits? Should I reinvest all of it, take profit, or reinvest in something else, or save for a rainy day? Now, most people say reinvest it all into markets. I do think it is wise to take profits because, I could lose in the markets next week with another flip or challenge. So I think it makes more sense to take some money out, maybe like £300, reinvest into something else outside of the markets to make me more money, and then, go with £700 next week. Simple. Let's get it.